This 2019 Fleetwood Bounder 35K is a Class A RV. It is located in Ocala, Florida, 34473 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Fleetwood is 36 feet 0 inches in length and features sleep 6, slide-out, and 100 gal freshwater capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, outdoor entertainment, rear bath. This 2019 Fleetwood Bounder 35K is built on a Ford chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.